Are you experiencing software issues with your Samsung Galaxy? Are you unable to fix it using traditional troubleshooting methods? Then it might be time for a master reset. In this video, we will show you how to do the master reset on your Samsung Galaxy. But before we proceed, make sure you back up all your important data, such as contacts, photos, and documents. This process is irreversible and will delete all data, apps, and settings on your phone. To begin, power off your Samsung Galaxy by holding the power and volume down buttons and selecting power off from the options. Now we need to boot into recovery mode. To do this, press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously. Release the buttons when the Samsung Galaxy logo appears on the screen. Using the volume down button, navigate through the recovery mode menu until you highlight the Wipe Data Factory Reset option. Press the power button to select the highlighted option, which will initiate the master reset process. Confirm the action by selecting Yes when prompted. Once the master reset is complete, the recovery mode menu will reappear. Select the Reboot System Now option using the power button. Your Samsung Galaxy should now boot up with its factory settings restored. You can then set up the device as new or restore your backed up data. If your device becomes unresponsive during the reset process, press and hold the volume down and power buttons for about 10 seconds to perform a forced restart. And that's how you perform a master reset on your Samsung Galaxy. We hope that this guide can help you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.